We are at Excel London for the Innovation Conference alongside 3,000 public sector executives and civil servants.
For me, today's fundamentally being about exploring how we further digitize our regulation. Not going to look like it did 2 or 3 years ago. It's going to be very different. I can see greater use of virtual technologies, certainly much better use of data than we've done in the past. Preventative regulation as well as responsive regulation. Lots of things I think are going to be different.
AI is going to play a role in that. I think it's just going to be another tool that we can use as a regulator to help us better regulate the industry.
I'm just really keen to make connections, hear from people on what their challenges are, see how we can help and how we can get involved in driving change for citizens from the public sector.
It's not just about technology in terms of innovation, it's about the people as well.
Digitisation, automation, how to make people's jobs easier.
I think that AI is a huge hot topic right now. Even within my team right now, we're looking at different AI roles and how we can add it to our framework.
Just been to a session about major projects and how to deliver them, which is really interesting. And it's really to understand in the next 5 years where the civil service is going.
We're excited to present how Tested and Proven AI Ignite Catalyst program can serve to accelerate the adoption of AI technologies. The enthusiasm as a document production session has been phenomenal. Demonstrating our data expertise and digital contact center solutions enhanced by advanced AI. We've seen significant interest with many registering for our free Inspire workshop and arranging follow-up meetings to progress further.
Engaging with the public sector delegates has been a fantastic experience. Looking forward to further collaborations and delivering impacting solutions that positively shape the future landscape of public service delivery.